Thank you for viewing this Phantom video, where we will dive into the details of the case management capability on the Phantom platform. First, to get to the case listing page, you'll use the main navigation, and in this menu, you'll see a Cases option. This will pull up the Analyst Queue view, filtered down to just cases. From here, you can apply filters and sorting to any of these columns to get the desired view. What we'll do next is promote an event to a case. You can do this in two primary ways. One is from the mission control view, and second is through a playbook. For now, we'll focus on the mission control view. In the upper right-hand corner of an event in mission control, you'll see a briefcase here. By clicking on this, you can promote this event to either a new case or an existing case. Here we'll select a new case, and in the drop-down you can choose which case template you want to apply. Now that we've promoted this event to a case, you'll notice a few things have changed in the UI. First, we've incorporated the incident response plan via this task list on the left-hand side of the Mission Control UI. Each of these tasks represent an individual step that needs to be executed as part of the incident response plan. The steps are represented as tasks, and they're broken up into different phases. In this particular plan, the phases are detect, analyze and contain, eradicate, recovery, and post-incident activity. Users can modify the tasks within these plans both live in the event as well as the templates. If you want to modify the template, you would access that through the administration menu. As analysts are completing these tasks, they can select them, they can mark them complete, add notes and closing comments as they see fit. They also have the option to attach notes as well as attach files associated with each of these tasks. A great feature in case management on Phantom is the ability to embed a playbook or action as part of a task in the incident response plan. So here I'm modifying the tasks for the case. We'll look at analyze precursors and indicators, and I could prescribe an action or a playbook to execute as part of this task. I would do this by clicking on the Add Playbook button. Here I'll select the Investigate playbook, part of the community repository of playbooks, useful for analyzing precursors and indicators. And now you'll see that that playbook has been assigned as part of that task. We'll go down and we'll save the changes that we just made. And now you'll see in the task listing on the left-hand side that the Investigate playbook is assigned as part of this task. I could launch that playbook from this view here as well. Run playbook. And here you'll see that the playbook has started successfully. Other capabilities in this view to make note of are things such as setting current phase for the case. So this is dictated by the case template that you assigned and what phases are included in that template. You could change the phase from this drop-down menu. You could do the same thing with things like status and ownership as well. Now the remainder of the Mission Control UI is still available for the analyst or the team of analysts to work with while processing the case. Things such as the activity pane, the guidance tab, timelines, heads-up display, the original artifacts, all are available for the analyst to use. The final section to highlight in the case management functionality would be the notes section. Here you can create new notes which could roll up into an overall case report, each note having a title as well as a text body area. The text here has basic text formatting capabilities such as bold, italic, numbering, bullets, as well as removing all text formatting. Lastly, you can set which phase the note would be assigned to. For any users who needed to generate a report for the case itself, they could do that by accessing the Report tab and then clicking the Plus Report option here. We hope you found this brief demonstration of case management very useful. We encourage you to access the Community Edition of the Phantom platform for free from my.phantom.us that would allow you to explore the case management functionality as well as all of the other features within the Phantom platform. Thanks again for attending, and enjoy the Community Edition.